Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So today I'm going to be working on some Etsy orders and some website orders. I have a ton of ornaments I need to get finished up and I need to package those up. I did get several more ornament orders, so hopefully if I get done with the ones I know I want to get done today, I'll work on those, but we're gonna be working on a lot of ornaments. I'll show you guys how I package those up. If you haven't seen that video in the past, I kind of showed y'all how I did that, but I'll show you again today. We're gonna work on ornaments, package them up, get those shipped out, and then I have some sublimation mugs to do and some other things, but we'll see what we can get done today. I'm just gonna at least start with the ornaments and we'll see what we can get done. But that is what we're gonna be working on today, and let's get going because it's gonna be a busy day. Okay, so I have all of the invoices out along with the decals that go onto each ornament, and then along with that, the fabric that goes with each set, if they wanted it, is on there. So I kind of do this way because it makes it easier for me. I just work on one at a time and do all sets at a time and keep them together, so that way I don't like get anything mixed up. But everything's laid out, so now we're going to go ahead and get into putting the decals on the ornaments, and then we'll put the ribbon on. Okay, so all the ornaments are finished and they're ready to be packaged up. So now I'm gonna go get my bubble wrap and my boxes and the priority mail boxes, and then we're gonna get these packaged up. So now I think I'm gonna go have my second cup of coffee because I need a little bit of a boost before I move on to the packaging. So I got most of the ornament orders done. I do have a few, well actually probably like 100 of the little wood block ornaments that I do with the Jenga blocks, and I don't think I have enough stored from last year. So I'm gonna have to probably go pick some of those up tomorrow and work on them tomorrow. and I'm gonna get caught up with all the orders I have so I can ship them all out. Hopefully get everything out before the 5th through the 10th so we can get a good groove going and be ahead on the game, because I know the shipping is really bad right now and it's really delayed. So I just want to make sure everybody gets their stuff before Christmas. So all small business owners out there, make sure you're shipping your stuff out ASAP, because if something breaks or something gets messed up, you'll have time to ship it right back out to your customer. So coffee time. Okay, so I'm getting my bubble wrap stuff ready. And so if you're ever wanting to ship ornaments, it's a good idea to always wrap in some type of bubble wrap. And I get these large rolls of bubble wrap from Sam's Club. I don't know if you have a Sam's Club where you are, but it's just like basically like a bulk discount store. You can tear them in 12-inch strips. So what I do is I tear one strip for each ornament. So you'll take one strip and wrap the ornament up with that, and I'll show you that. But so now I'm just going to spend the next several minutes just tearing strips because we have quite a bit to wrap up. So that's what I'm going to do right now. Okay, so we are ready to package up. I have some of the bubble wrap we talked about in the last clip. I have some of these gift boxes. I get them at the Dollar Tree, but you can also get them at Walmart. They're just more expensive. But this is the size of them. They're 12 by 5 by 3, and you can fit about 6 ornaments in each with the bubble wrap on top. Like I said, it comes with 4, so I have some of those. And I have a big black trash bag full of stuffing. So what I use the stuffing for is the ornaments are going to be wrapped up into the bubble wrap. They're going to each be put into these. And then these boxes are then put into the priority mail boxes. And then around all of the areas where there's nothing, I stuff it with stuffing. Or, you know, you'll see in a minute. It's just like packaging stuff. So let's go ahead and get on into packaging all these ornaments up. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how I wrap the ornaments up. So I'm going to take one of my bubble wrap pieces along with one of the gift boxes. I usually just open up the bottom and get it ready. Okay, then you're going to take the ornament, and I usually put it face down onto the bubble wrap and then roll it up like this, so it looks like that. I'll take the top, bend it down behind the ornament, and then take the bottom and bend it up over it, so it kind of looks like a little sandwich. And then I will just sit it inside of the box like that. Okay, so now I'm going to do that for the remaining. And like I said, I can fit 6 into this, and it looks like it's squished, but they're really just snug and they're safe in there together. So. Alright, here is what they look like inside of the box. As you can see, they look squished, but I promise they're safe. And then you're going to take your top and just put it on. And then it is all packaged up. The last thing I'll do is just put my invoice and fold it up in half. Take a little piece of tape, and I'm just going to tape the invoice onto the top of the box so I can keep everything together and organized. So there we go. I'm packing one of the orders up and I wanted to show you guys, I use the priority mail boxes from USPS. They're free, you can get them online. So I definitely utilize this box if I can. So when it comes to the 2 boxes, they fit in there perfectly. So I'll put 2 down and then I will get my filler and just shove it in there. And what the goal is you just want to make sure that there is no room for it to jumble around. So this is plenty. And then you'll just close it in and then tape it up. And the same goes for if you only have 1 of those boxes or even 4 of those boxes. You just fill up enough filler to where it's not moving around. But that's really all there is to it. I'm getting tired, so I am now putting tissues inside of the mason jars. So all I have now left to do, I got all the ornaments done. I'm going to put my tissues in the mason jars, put twine on them, get this packaged up. I have decals finished, they're right there. They're packaged up, I just have to put them inside of the poly mailers. And then after that, I have 4 mugs I need to sublimate, and I'm pretty sure that's it. That's everything. And I still have 8 orders in my queue, 8 or 9. So I'm gonna be getting those done tomorrow and getting things kind of geared up to shutting down. Like I said, I usually shut down around the 10th, but I like to gear up to that before. But yeah, that's what we're doing now. And a lot of you asked me how I put the tissues inside of the mason jars. And I just grab like a little stack like this and just roll it loosely. And then just stick it inside like that. And then all you have to do is pull it out from the middle. And you have a little thing, but I have to put twine around it, but they're really cute. I really like these a lot. Who misplaces their scissors like 30 times a day? I do. I'm always misplacing my scissors. I usually wrap the twine around my mason jars about 3. Well, I like to have 3 little rings, so maybe 2 times. So for those of you who didn't know, I actually have been trying to be more active on Instagram. So it is the Simply Sallie DIY. It's not the Simply Sallie, that's just my business Instagram. But if you guys want to see more of like the day-to-day stuff and like behind the scenes of what I'm doing, please join it. I'd love to have you guys. I do a lot like polls and like I said, behind the scenes stuff. And yeah, I've been trying to get more into that stuff, but we'll see if I can keep up with it.